takeaway by the Rangers. Hayes beat down low.
Oh!
Unheedle. Oh, now the Rangers' turn to get some chances.
Throw it towards the net.
Keep it. Hayes with a move. Here comes Stahl. Save by Lamo. He holds it.
Good shift. Good shift.
By the Rangers. In Harvard.
Out of my Zook.
Line mates. He's a playmaker. That's in front. Not going.
What a save!
Big Cole drops it in the corner.
Hey, he picked him off!
Cole who picked him off.
An easy save, deflecting it to the corner.
Peon fired a good pass.
Penalty shot! Penalty shot! Penalty shot!
The boards.
Right there. Right there, come on!
Kreider to Spooner, save by Lamo.
Wow.
What a save that was.
Zibanejad trying to get it to Zuccarello who missed it.
To the net.
Shattenkirk.
Yeah!
Right?
Yeah.
Right there.
100% tipped in front.
We were just talking about that aerodynamic.
Ooh!
Pass stopped by Fox. There's a penalty upcoming.
Oh my god.
Rangers be called for
on the
hooking.
Rangers. BC
Henry!
by Lundqvist. Howden.
And if you can establish a hard forecheck,
Hey-o.
Here's Kreider moving in. And a save, and it's missed by Fox. Now, Zuccarello out in front off the stick. Shot by Hayes, save. Lamo.
Loose!
Dribble in front, the puck.
Wow, what a save.
Oh, Rangers do a good job forcing the turn.
Hey!
Penalty call.
Nice. Good shit!
Absolutely.
Galvin
Come on, boys!
wasn't like the
Bullshit
call.
about it. Plain and simple right
it's
there.
a good play by Smith under a lot of
Finds Gerard. Save with a
Henry!
right hand by Lundqvist.
stick on it. I think that's good defense again.
MacKinnon. Now Tyson Barrie, the shot, he scores! Tyson Barrie. That's what he does best. He gets that shot. It was the Vestikov.
Big hit!
Galvin was sitting flying. Out comes
Wheels, wheels!
Shattenkirk has it again. Pass. Got through. Went past Zuccarello. Hayes one time.
Oh, yeah! What a shot! Oh! Holy crap!
Just redeemed himself.
Brendan Smith.
Hey! 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 He just got chopped in the face!
Wow.
I believe he got hit with a stick.
And the penalty is called on Colorado.
Rangers have to take advantage of this.
Ref's gotta stop throwing us out of the face-off circle.
Zuccarello fires it through with a shot by Zibanejad went wide.
Oh boy, he looked up.
Shattenkirk winds up, big drive, save. Lamo, save.
Oh, what a save!
Save. So out to the point, long shot by Zadorov, a save. The rebound.
Oh, what a save! Henrik Lundqvist!
What an effort. Mason clears it out.
Holy!
I mean, the first
Oh, baby! Save of the year!
brilliant first save, his second save.
Here's a chance.
That's exactly all.
Henrik,
Hey,
long shot, and they
ah,
score.
fuck off.
On a deflection in front.
I'm out. Bitch.
And it looks like there's a shot by Zibanejad.
Oh, man!
By Varlamov. So as the crowd was
Shit.
moving, Henrik Lund out to Ryan Spooner. Shattenkirk winds up the shot. Save Varlamov. Rebound loose.
Oh!
Shattenkirk. Vestikov was taken down. Here's a chance for Calvert. Save by Lundqvist. And Rangers with a keep in. Here's Heedle in the corner.
Ooh. Come on, bro. Shoot!
Was behind. Zibanejad wins it. Shot by Smith. A deflection. A save.
Oh, my.
Wow.
Fucking rock. Mark Stoll, what a hit! Are you kidding?
Zuccarello. Nice pass ahead. Here comes Shea to the net. And
Penalty shot! Penalty shot!
MacKinnon for holding.
Brady Shea, you want to make something happen? Let's go.
Up ice. Leaves it for Kreider. Out and around the net. Pass back to Shea. Looking for a shooting lane. Sets up Foss. Save Varlamov.
Didn't have anywhere to go. He wanted to keep possession of the puck for his team.
Jimmy Veazey.
With good speed. Tripped up on the Tavisi. Colorado is changing lane.
Drop it. Drop it. Give it back to him.
In front. Veazey trying to stuff it.
It's in.
And a save by Varlamov.
How do you not put that in?
Oh, man. Zuccarello moves in on Varlamov. And
Boom!
on its feet at the Garden.
You watch, and this guy's got the quickest hands in the game.
Here comes MacKinnon. Fakes, and
Henry!
up for the Rangers, who lead 1-0 in the shootout. Zibanejad. And it went off his stick
Are you
as
stupid?
he mishandled it. And here is Mikko Rantanen. Moving it on Lundqvist and scoring. So we are tied in the shootout. Shattenkirk against Varlamov. Shattenkirk.
Yeah, Shatty!
Colorado.
Come on, Hank.
Landeskog moves it on